Hello guys, can you guys clear? Hello guys, can you guys tell me is the audio clear or not? Hello guys, can you guys tell me is the audio clear or not? Hello. Hello guys, can you hear me? Can you guys tell me is the audio clear or not? Okay, let other guys join as well and then we'll start our session. Hello Braden Hall, hello Majid, hello, hi. We are waiting for other members to join and then we'll start our live stream. Today guys we'll be talking about how Bitcoin is reacting after daily candle closure yesterday. We'll also be focusing on some alts and Ethereum along with some index update. So stay tuned guys, let some more of you guys join and then we'll start our session. Also you guys can tell me in between of stream if any specific point analysis or any specific update you guys want. I'd be posting regarding that too. Okay, I guess we should start now. Okay guys, moving on. First of all, we'll be looking at our Bitcoin charts, how Bitcoin is reacting. As you guys can see somewhere right here, let me remove all these indicators, let me remove all these things. Okay, starting from here, as you guys can see somewhere right here, we have a very strong support. Guys, previous resistance acts as a new support. If you guys can focus somewhere right here, this was our resistance, then this was our resistance as well, then this was our kind of a resistance as well, as we broke down from here and then it acted as support. But now the previous resistance will be acting as support. Bitcoin should stay above this zone. If it breaks this zone, then 22,000 zones and 22,700 zones are on cards. Moving on, if you look up to a specific potential reversal zone, then we'll see a bullish bed forming. There's 0.5 retracement and then we'll be filling all these zones and a potential reversal zone from 23,190 is expected. Moving on to the targets for this bullish harmonic, these are first target of ours would be 23,594, second target would be 23,721, and third target would be 23,388. Last and foremost target would be the new range high, 24,200 something. These are the targets if we reverse from here. Around 3 to 4% pump in Bitcoin we can expect. A 3 to 4% pump in Bitcoin will also result in a pump in altcoins. That would be huge. Moving on to Ethereum too is forming a bullish bet, as you guys can clearly see somewhere right here. Again we'll be drawing a bullish bet, and somewhere right here we might pump back 1687 zone. We might long Ethereum in our groups as well, in our VIP groups as well. 1687 would be the zone, with target profits for Ethereum at first target profit would be at 1738, second would be at 1753, third would be at 1769, and last foremost a new range high 1890. This would almost be a 7 to 8% pump. Guys, how did I measure this target? This is called a harmonic technique, in which this is called and basically an harmonic technique in which you can identify your target profits from Fibonacci retracements. Okay. Okay, any other coin you guys want me to analyze before I move on to finally I move on to alts? Before we finally move on to our alts and index updates, any other altcoins you guys want me to analyze for you guys? Okay, I guess the chat is a bit delayed, but I'll be back. So let's move on to Bitcoin dominance. Oh, see, this Bitcoin dominance update was posted in our groups as well, where we told you that we might pump from here, and again, as you guys can see, totally here we pumped. For now, Bitcoin dominance is falling on 4 hours time frame, which means that a fall in Bitcoin dominance would result in alts to pump, and market might be healthy and bullish again. If Bitcoin dominance is able to break this support at last, it won't do it right now. At last, if Bitcoin is pumping, then we might see a huge rally in alts, and we might see 20 20 30 30 40 40% gains in each alt. Why does Bitcoin dominance fall? Bitcoin dominance usually falls when people invest into alts rather than into Bitcoin. The Bitcoin dominance rises when people are investing in Bitcoin and not in alts. A rise in Bitcoin dominance and a rise in Bitcoin prices might lead to stability or a dump in altcoins, while a fall in Bitcoin prices and a fall in Bitcoin dominance result in a rally in alts, as you guys might know this. After Bitcoin dominance, we might go towards our USDT dominance. Okay, so USDT dominance has pumped a bit from this support zone. As you guys can see, previously it pumped to, and then again it pumped to, and we might see a fall in USDT dominance from somewhere right here. We might see a fall in USD dominance from this trend line resistance. As you guys can also see, 0.886 resistance also rely here, Fibonacci resistance, and then we might see it back down. A fall in USD dominance would make a market more bullish. For now, the signs for market are bullish until and unless we break this harmonic structure and we hit the stop loss for this structure. The stop loss for this structure would be below X, that would be 22,900 zones, but yeah, till then we are bullish in market. Moving on to any alt update. Analyze Jasmine and say, along BTC, do you think should we sell Atom and CRV? No, Atom and CRV both you are not. You should not sell. You should in fact wait, and as there are second entries also available, you should wait and fulfill those. Wait for those to fulfill second entries. So once we get back to pump, we make more and more gains. Okay, moving on to Rune. Let's go towards Rune first of all. Okay, moving on to Rune, here you guys can clearly see is a very strong support for Rune. You guys can see it's a point of interest. Last time we gave a retest to this zone, and then we are pumping since then. Okay, one more thing which we can see on Rune, but it won't be according to market trend, could be an potential head and shoulder, head, and then a pump from here, and then head and shoulder. But for that, market needs to pump and make another shoulder, which we can assume. Moreover, if we look onto some harmonic price action on Rune, we might see this. Yeah, this was a potential reversal zone for Rune, but it broke that, and it's pumping since then. We are on 30 minutes time frame. A pump from here would have at least gave us 4 to 5% move, on which we would have traded on leverage 10x and would have gained easy 40% move. Let's go for Rune on a higher time frame. This is a very strong trend line support. As you guys can see already, we are reversing from this zone and we might pump more. Moreover, this trend line can also be extended till this high, and yeah, this is a potential reversal zone for our you can say Rune trade, but Rune might face some resistance somewhere in this area. Till this ascending triangle isn't broken, we can't say much about Rune, as for till then it would be trading between these zones only. See, it pumped, came back, pumped, came back, pumped, came back, pumped again, came back, and it will again pump, then come somewhere right here, then a pump, a retest, and then yeah, this is how Rune price action should work. Okay, moving on to Ape. Okay, let's look Ape. We have also posted the trade for Ape USDT in our Discord as well, future Discord as well, but yeah, let's look up to Ape as well. So Ape has just broken these channels right here. If we don't give a proper retest to this trend line and we break again, then we might be closing our Ape trades, but till then we are bullish on Ape. A retest would, if a retest is not successful and we get somewhere above this channel, in this channel right back again, then we might hope $8 zones for Ape, and that would be a huge gain, somewhere 13 to 40% pump from here if we are able to survive back again in this channel. But if the candle closes below this, then we might have to close our Ape trades in profits. So yeah, moving on to Send. Send 2 is all in strong trend line, but it broke it and is now, see, the whole game, the whole technical analysis is mostly based upon resistance and support. As you guys can see, we are now pumping back again. There's a potential harmonic once more somewhere right here. See, 0.886 zone, this is the potential harmonic. We might long Ape, we might long Send, but yeah, this is a potential harmonic. There's a proper 0.886 zone has been filled. Yeah, this is how it works. This was a potential reversal zone, and yeah, it did pump from here. Moving on to Ape has been analyzed. Thank you. Yeah, the accent might be difficult for some of you to understand. It's cool, you guys are doing it. Thank you so much. Any other analysis you guys want before we move on to our more into our alts updates? Okay, let's move on to our Atom trade, which we have posted yesterday. Our entry is 10.7. We have already got to our take profit 1, and if you look up to a potential reversal zone for Atom, then we might see a potential reversal zone can be somewhere from here till here for Atom, and then we will be pumping back again. Moreover, moving on to FLM and CRE next. FLM is, I am waiting basically for FLM to come somewhere to 1.13 zones, then we'll be longing FLM. This zone will be longing FLM. That would be a perfect entry for FLM to enter. Moving on to CRV. CRV is in a triangle currently. Our upside break of triangle or downside break of triangle will decide should we let our CRV trade run or should we be closing it. This triangle is very critical. As you might see, we are trading in this triangle since long. This is what I think if Bitcoin pumps, CRV might act. We have been consolidating in this triangle since past 15 days. So yeah, the consolidation is about half a month and we are waiting for it to break. Okay, any other coin analysis? FTM. Okay, let's look up to FTM. Okay, for now FTM, a potential entry for FTM would be somewhere right here. Once we get back to this triangle, this rectangle support, as already clear, we got a wick up to this zone, and now I am still waiting for a wick till this zone, and then we pump again. But till then, the market is critical for FTM, which we might see also a double top with this neckline. Once we break this, we might see a rally toward downside somewhere. From here support, we pump again, forming a harmonic completely. And if this double bottom works out, let me tell you the targets for this double bottom too. We would somewhere retrace till 0.3264. you guys can jot down if you are in FTM trade, or till 0.3089. we'll retrace till these zones. EGLD, okay, EGLD is currently, EGLD has basically broken its high. If we retest this resistance and make it our complete support, then yeah, EGLD is a good long. But till then, EGLD is crucial to long. From here, perfect zones for EGLD buy were $58 and $56 zones, but we missed that. Yeah, but if anybody wanna long EGLD still, then for $60 zone would be a perfect buy. Let me draw harmonic on this too. Harmonics is totally a Fibonacci game, and Fibonacci is what price action works for these days. So this would be a potential reversal zone for EGLD. Shiba USDT. Okay. Okay, Shiba USDT. SHIB USDT basically. Let's move on to daily. SHIB USDT is on very strong resistance. As you guys can see, until and unless we break these liquidity wicks, we can't say much about SHIB USDT. But yeah, it's in an ascending triangle, which is a bullish sign. Obviously, we're looking forward to more price action. Once we break above this zone, then we'll be longing it in our VIPs too. If you guys wanna learn our technical analysis skill or our harmonics skill, you guys might comment and tell us what you wanna learn, and then in the next live stream we can work on that too. Yeah, okay, let's move on to Lena. If you guys wanna learn how to do technical analysis, you guys might comment and tell us and suggest us next topics other than these updates too, and we'll be working on that for you guys too. Okay, Lena, let's go on 4 hours. Broke very strong support, broke very strong trend line. This is how every alt is acting. Somewhere right here there's a candle right here. If we are not able to stay above this trend line, then we'll fall. Same price action is happening for other alts too, if you guys focus on that. But for now, from which zone we can reverse would be your real question. This is a potential reversal zone for Lena. A retest in this zone would mean that we might retest this trend line as well. So yeah, wait, okay, moving on to VET. VET is really good coin, one of my favorites to trade with. Let's see if we see a possible harmonic on VET too. Yeah, we see. So VET has a potential reversal zone at 0.2927. All these potential reversal zone are quite a bit low. Somewhere right over, yeah, somewhere right 4 to 5% down, and I think will retrace till these zones this weekend, and then next week would again be a good week. So yeah, nice one. Thank you, buddy. For 10x package, you should buy our VIP future leverage trades. On that we post our 10x and future trades where we are doing currently good. We have our BNB long opened. We have our BNB long open with 100% plus gains on that. We have our theta long open with 80-90% gains on that. We have currently many longs open already. All are in profit, running good and wide. Okay, let's look up to Doge. Doge has always been a shit coin to me, but it's favorite to some of you guys. So yeah, Doge is also on a very strong support of this trend line. Our trend line support somewhere right here, a retest and we bounce and make a new high, but till then we might be facing resistance in this zone. This is a very strong resistance zone for Doge. Once we break this, then we have potential chances to break our highs as well. See, why am I telling you a retest is very important? As you may notice, we pumped without giving a retest, and when we came back to give a retest, some of you might have taken entry here, and FOMO, the institution, might have got you stuck on this wick. When it came back to retest, a trader who is a professional trader, such as our team who post our signals in VIP, would wait for a potential retest somewhere here and then give the trade call. But the retest failed, and see, now we are back in this zone. It's somewhere, or some of you who would have taken entry here in FOMO are currently in 4.29% down of their trade investment. Yeah, Doge has been done. Okay guys, let's wind up the trade. Let's wind up this live session for today. If you guys enjoyed, do like our live stream, do comment, and do tell us how we can improve, and what's the next topic you guys want our live stream to be on. We can also make technical analysis video. We can also help with fundamental analysis. We can also help you tell how harmonics work and how does Fibonacci works on charts. Thank you for today. Okay, I'll be taking this Luna last, and then we'll wind up this live session. Luna is consolidating, and this is something called range trade. As you guys might see, this is what we call range trade: support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Once we break above this and a candle closure, which haven't been done, only wicks have passed through this. Once a candle closure is done above this, then we might expect a huge trade towards upside. BNB, we already have our long on BNB in our VIP future trades channel from 293, and we are doing massive gains already on that. Yeah, thanks a lot guys. Hope to see you in tomorrow. We'll be doing daily live stream most probably, so hope to see you. Thank you. Nice having you all. Bye.